Hi everyone, Baravi here. How are you? How are you all doing during this time of lockdown? What have you been up to during lockdown? Um, as for myself, I've been doing a lot of reading. I've been cooking a lot. I've been baking cakes and pies. Um, But I miss you all. I miss seeing all your faces in class and your laughter and your smiles. Remember that you have to stay home and stay safe. But I guess you can all go out now and play in the parks. Um, I'm looking forward to this weekend when I'll be allowed to go out for a run and do some exercise. Um, um, I've been asked to tell you a little bit about music that I like. Personally, I like to listen to reggae music and rhythm and blues. Do you know those types of music? I also like to listen to local Fijian island music, and especially when I'm doing sports and just walking around in the park. Do you have any favorite technologies that you use to listen to your music? For me, my favorite devices to listen to music, I have one right here. This is my Sony um, wireless Bluetooth headphones. This I use when I'm out walking or on the plane or the train. And also at home, I have this. Maybe some of you know what this is. This is my Bose SoundLink Mini, and it's quite a powerful Bluetooth speaker. So that's me and my music. I hope to hear from you and see what type of music you like to listen to. Ciao. See you soon.